furnishes the following information for the month of July 2020. Compute taxable turnover and tax. The 13th one is goods supplied to a registered dealer at Lakshadweep rupees 3 lakh. Taxable turnover is 10 lakh. Now we have to calculate IGST. Goods sent to a job worker of Mangalore, supplied goods directly after purchasing. Again, it is what? It is 5 lakh. We'll calculate 12% on that. Hello everyone, this is your Aditya here, lecturing Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 4 of your topic called Indirect Tax. Under Indirect Tax, we are doing your levy and collection of tax. So we are starting with your problems now, and we did 2 problems on indirect tax. And in the today's session, we go with the 3rd problem of your indirect tax. So we will understand concept while doing your problems. Problem number 3. In this, Maitri Company, a registered dealer in Karnataka, furnishes the following information for the month of July 2020. Compute taxable turnover and tax liability. Now, you are supposed to find out one by one in this. So, goods sold to dealer in Salem. How much? 10 lakh. Now, remember, while doing problem, if anything about SEZ, don't consider. Anything which is purchased, don't consider. Again, I am repeating. Anything which is about SEZ, anything export, anything goods received or job work. These are the things we will not consider. Job work, export, goods received, and your anything like, so these things like your exported or anything which is received back or anything which is exempted one or SEZ. I forgot to tell SEZ. So SEZ also not part of your turnover. Now, goods sold to dealers Salem. Anything like he is from Karnataka. Any sales happens within Karnataka, we call it as CGST, SGST. Any sales happen from one state to another state, we call it as it is IGST. Now, this is IGST, and goods supplied to unregistered dealer to Kerala. Again, IGST, and goods supplied within state, your CGST and SGST. Then, goods supplied to a dealer at Bangalore, CGST and SGST. Then, goods sent to job worker, no, it will be what? Not part of your taxable one. Next, goods supplied to SEZ, again it will not come. SEZ will not come, special economic zone, and the job work also will not part of your taxable turnover. Then, goods supplied to Andaman, yes, IGST, and goods received from unregistered dealer Mysore. If it is unregistered dealer you are received, we call it as RCM, reverse charge mechanism. We call it as what? RCM, reverse charge mechanism. Then, goods supplied to dealer of Hong Kong. Again, it is export. We will not consider. Hong Kong not within the India, so we consider as export. Then, supplied goods to dealer in Jammu Kashmir, IGST. Then, job worker place goods directly to the dealer. See, you are not giving to job worker. I'll give you example. This is you. This is job worker. This is a seller and a buyer. Seller, buyer. If you do any sales, this is called turnover. If you give anything to the job worker, it is not sales. But he is in Mysore, he is in Mandya, and he is in Bangalore. Mysore, Mandya, Bangalore. You sent for job worker, you told him you don't give me back, you give it to this person, because again transportation will cost more. That's why you don't give me back, you directly give it to the buyer. Then what happens? On behalf of us, he will only give it to this person. Hope you are clear. Yes, this we call it as your job worker plays goods directly to the dealer at Tumkur. Tumkur is what? Within Karnataka, so it will come under CGST and SGST. Hope you are clear with this. Next, stock transfer to branch at Chennai, rupees 5,50,000. Stock transfer to branch at Chennai. Now, what happens here? Stock transfer to branch at Chennai. I'll come back to this later. Branch transfer is not part of your turnover. So, if it is a selling purpose, then we have to consider. Only it is a branch transfer, we will not consider. While doing answer, I'll explain you. Goods purchased from unregistered dealer Hubli. See, again, I'll come back to this purchased also, because I need to explain what is the transaction between unregistered dealer. Goods supplied to a registered dealer to Lakshadweep, IGST. Goods received from job worker, again it is received back. Goods sent to a job worker of Mangalore, supplied goods directly after purchasing. Again it is what? Hyderabad. Hyderabad in the sense what? Hyderabad, rupees 5 lakh, and registered dealer at Belagavi 4 lakh. 5 lakh plus 4 lakh, how much? 9 lakh. It is IGST. Hope you are clear. Yes. Again Belagavi we have. Again it will be CG and SG. Goods sold to a dealer at Mumbai who is a register under composition scheme. Again your IGST, because it is Mumbai. Then goods purchased from registered dealer Hassan. Again the purchases will not come. Hope you are clear. Yes. I'll go one by one now. First one, goods sold to dealer in Salem. Just I'll mention Salem because I don't have much space. Salem, rupees 10 lakh. First one, it is Salem. So it is taxable. Taxable turnover is 10 lakh. Now we have to calculate IGST. I'll calculate with the calculator. Your Salem, 10 lakh multiplied with 18%, 12%. Yes. So we got 10 lakh now. In this, we'll see what is the percentage. They have mentioned that we are supposed to calculate GST 12%. Now, 10 lakh into 12%. I'll calculate 10 lakh into 12%. It is 1,20,000. This will be 1,20,000. This is done. Now I'll go to second one. Your goods supplied to unregistered dealer URD in Kerala 4 lakh. Second one, URD Kerala, taxable amount is 4 lakh. Kerala means it is other state. If you do calculation, it will be 4 lakh into, what is the percentage? 12%. I got around 48,000. 48,000. Now, third one. After this, goods supplied within state, it is 2,50,000. Within state means what? CGST and SGST. Within state, 2,50,000. Third one, within state, taxable 2,50,000. I'll calculate 12%, half of the 12% actually. Half will be 12%. So 2,50,000 into 12%, it is 15,000 and 15,000. 15,000, 15,000. Next we'll go for fourth one. So in this, goods supplied to a dealer at Bangalore, rupees 6 lakh. Dealer at Bangalore within the state. Dealer at Bangalore. So taxable 6 lakh. We'll calculate 12% on that. 6 lakh into 12%. 6 lakh into 12%. Yes, I got 36,000, 36,000. This is done. Next. Goods supplied to a dealer is over. Goods sent for job work, not a sale. Goods sent for job work. Fifth one. Job work, not a sale. Dash, 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 dash. Clear? Next. Goods supplied to SEZ. Again, it is not a sale. Supplied to SEZ, 4 lakh. Sixth one. SEZ, not a sale. Amount is 4 lakh. Nil, nil, nil. Hope you are clear. Yes. Next. Goods supplied to Andaman, rupees 2 lakh. So 2 lakh. Andaman means what? One state to another state. Andaman, rupees 2 lakh. Seventh one, Andaman. Taxable. It is 2 lakh. So it will be IGST. I'll calculate 2 lakh into 12%. 2 lakh into 12%. Yes, I got 24,000. It is 24,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. Next. Goods supplied, Andaman is over. Goods received from URD. URD means what? Unregistered dealer. If you are received from unregistered dealer, we call it as RCM, reverse charge mechanism. So in this URD, received from URD 4,50,000. Eighth one, received from URD, remember, reverse charge mechanism. RCM stands for reverse charge mechanism. The amount is 4,50,000. Calculate 12%. 4,50,000 into 12%. 54,000 I got. Yes, next. We have like goods supplied to dealer of Hong Kong. Hong Kong means what? Export. So Hong Kong, rupees 5 lakh. Ninth one. Hong Kong. The value is, yes, 5 lakh. So 5 lakh will be what? Exempted. So we will not consider. This we call it as export. We don't call it as sales. Hope you are clear. Yes. After that, we have like job worker place goods directly to the dealer or at Tumkur, rupees 2 lakh. So we have to calculate for 2 lakh how much we will get. 12,000 and 12,000. 12,000 and 12,000. So it is how much? 2 lakh. So it must be 2 lakh. Tumkur in the sense 12,000 and 12,000. So it is what? 10th one, job worker but Tumkur. Tumkur in the sense what happened? As I told you, Mysore, Mandya and Bangalore. Instead of getting back from job worker, give it directly to Tumkur. Give it directly to the Bangalore. On behalf of me, he is selling actually. So it is not job work, it is directly given to the dealer. Now, That is done. Next, I'll come to 11th one. Stock transfer to branch at Chennai. So how much it is? 5,50,000 actually. 5,50,000 into percentage. Chennai means it is one state to another state. See, stock transfer to branch at Chennai. Normally what happens, the branch transfer we don't consider as sale. If it is an independent branch, what happens? We sell it to them, they will sell it to the customer with having profit. Now, so branch transfer to Chennai, 5,50,000. Branch transfer, taxable, so how much it is? So the amount is 5,50,000. What is the percentage? 12%. 5,50,000 into 12%. I'll calculate it already. 5,50,000 into 12%. I got 66,000. Hope you're clear. Now, the next one is goods purchased from unregistered dealer of Hubli. Again, same procedure. You are receiving from unregistered dealer. So how much it is? 8 lakh. On 8 lakh, 12%. 8 lakh, 12%. I got 48 and 48. Received from unregistered dealer. So it is taxable. And so how much it is? 8 lakh. On 8 lakh, I got, yes, 48 lakh within the state. So it must be 48,000, 48,000. Hope you're clear. Now, I got next one, your 13th one. The 13th one is goods supplied to a registered dealer at Lakshadweep, rupees 3 lakh. Lakshadweep means what? One state to another state. So it is taxable. And what is the amount? The amount is 3 lakh. Amount is 3 lakh. On 3 lakh, we are supposed to calculate 12%. Take 3 lakh on the 12%. Now, 3 lakh into 12%, I got 36,000. I got 36,000. So 36,000 divided by Lakshadweep means directly I can write 36,000 directly. Hope you are clear. Yes, I got this one. Next one, 14th one. Goods received from job worker 1,50,000. So if you calculate 12% on this, 1,50,000 into 12%. Yeah. Goods received from job worker rupees 1,50,000. So consider job worker 14th one. So it is not a sale. So what is the value? Value will not consider only if it is not a sale, because from job, anything it is given to job worker, anything which is collected from job worker, not part of the sale. If job worker directly given to dealer, then it is a sale. Now, I'll go to next one, 15th one. 15th one, goods received is over. Goods sent to job worker at Mangalore and supplied goods directly after processing to the dealer. As Hyderabad, we have to consider. What is the value? 5 lakh. Now, Hyderabad, taxable, it is 5 lakh. We'll calculate 12% on that. So 5 lakh into 12%, I got 60,000. Next one. In the same question, we have one more. Like Belagavi is 4 lakh. Belagavi is where? Within Karnataka. Belagavi, it is 4 lakh. Belagavi, it is also taxable. It is 4 lakh. So it will be 4 lakh into 12%. 24,000, 24,000. 24,000 and 24,000. Next. After this, goods sold to dealer Mumbai who is registered under composition scheme 2 lakh. So Mumbai, we have to, Mumbai means what? IGST. Mumbai, 16th one, Mumbai, taxable. So what is the value we have? So it is 2 lakh actually. So we'll go for 2 lakh. 2 lakh on the calculate. So 2 lakh into 12%. I got 24,000. And the last one. Goods purchased from a registered dealer at Hassan. Goods purchased from a registered dealer at Hassan, 4 lakh. So, goods purchased is there. If it is URD, then it is taxable. It is not URD, it is not unregistered, so it is exempted. Goods purchased, because we are taking tax on sales, not on purchases. So, goods purchased. So, it will be how much? 4 lakh. 17th one, goods purchased, it is exempt, so it will be nil, 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 nil. So this is all about your calculation will total. So what will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I'll add one by one. So your taxable turnover, I'll count first. 10 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 2 lakh 50,000 plus 6 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 2 lakh 50,000. So plus 2 lakh plus 5 lakh 50,000 plus 8 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 2 lakh. How much I got? I got 60 lakh 50,000. I'll cross check once. In this, anything exemptions we have taken, I'll check. So we have considered everything. Yeah. Yes, if you add all this, I'll check once again. 10 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 2 lakh 50,000 plus 6 lakh. So this we are not supposed to take actually. Why? Because it is not a sale. So I'll remove that. If I remove this one, so it will be after the 2 lakh plus 4 lakh 50,000 plus it will be 2 lakh plus 5 lakh 50,000 plus 8 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 2 lakh. Yes. Now we done with this. Total we got 17, but in the question we have 18 entries. Maybe we have missed one entry in this, which is that. Like, yes, supplied goes to dealer of Jammu and Kashmir 1,20,000. We have not taken that. We will consider now. Supplied goes to dealer of Jammu and Kashmir 1,20,000. In this, I'll mention here 18th one, Jammu and Kashmir taxable. So it is 1,20,000. If you calculate on 1,20,000, what is the tax? 1,20,000 into 12%. It will come around 14,400. 1,20,000 into 12%. I got 14,400. 400. Now hope everything is proper. Now I'll calculate 10 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 2 lakh 50,000 plus 6 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 4 lakh 50,000. Then it will be 2 lakh plus 5 lakh 50,000 and 8 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 4 lakh, 2 lakh. Yes, I got 59 lakh 70,000. Your answer is 59 lakh 70,000. Remember, it is 5. 59 lakh 70,000. Now, what about these two totals? Now it will be 15,000 plus 36,000 plus 12,000 plus 48,000 plus 2,40,000. So it is 24,000. Yes, I got 1,35,000. 1,35,000 and this will be 1,35,000 only. We'll see the last column. The last column is 1,20,000 plus 48,000 plus 24,000 plus 54,000. Yes, plus we have 66,000 plus 36,000 plus 60,000 plus 24,000 plus 14,400. I got 4,46,400. Yes, 4,46,400. We got all these answers. Now, yeah. So these are the answers we are supposed to do. It is little lengthy, that's why please check every statements are taken. If it is not taxable, the amount is not considered, so that your problem will be correct. Now, I'll go back to all these slides. Please take screenshot. This is your problem number 3. Your solution. Please write heading, computation of taxable turnover and GST payable. The heading must be computation of taxable turnover and GST payable. Your solution part 1. Here you are supposed to write heading. Here the continuation. So you are supposed to write GST payable. Now, so this is all about your today's session. It was little lengthy, that's why it is more little confusing. But if you take one by one, keep question and start doing answers, it will be easy for you. We need to go back and again we have to come back again. So it will be little lengthy process for us. Please work out at home. This is very important. If you have 20 mark question, means like this will be your 20 mark question. Thank you.